Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Alibaba using an iPhone. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone. If you don't have an app, you can also use an Safari and go to the Alibaba site. Next, log into your account. Make sure you are signed in using your setting can be saved. Once you are in the home screen, look for the menu icon or tap the account at the top of the screen. Now find the setting and tap on it. Look for the option called currency or language and currency. Scroll through the list and select the currency you want to use. For example, if you want the price to show in US dollar, tap USD. Once selected, go back to the home screen. The app will automatically update and all price will be now shown in your chosen currency. If you are using Alibaba in the browser instead of app, scroll to bottom of the page, tap currency and choose your preferred currency same way. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.